Hey guys, welcome back to JCZ Crafting Vlogs and More. I am coming to you with a part two of my AeroGarden, and let's see what we are going to plant. Hey y'all, hey. I am back, and if you watch my last video of me unboxing, you will see that I already added water into our base there, and as you can see, it's going. Okay, and so I did not plant anything. I just wanted to unbox with you guys. Okay, so I figured out what these are lettuce, okay, that we are about to plant today. Here is the package. I will go through everything in a moment of what we're going to do. I have some shear clippers here that I'll be using. And so let's get into, as you can see, the grid is now on there. You see the mirror image of the grid. First thing I'm gonna do, because I didn't start planting, is that I'm gonna reset it. And it says to lightly touch and hold the light on and off, and that is just to reset it. So we're going to reset it for when our lights turn on and then when they turned off, and then also for us to get a reminder every 2 weeks to put more food in there. Now, I'm not going to put food in at the beginning, so I'm going to have to pay attention. All right? And remember, this is going to be red when you need more water. I am going to go ahead and reset. So let me go ahead and hold there. See what happens. Okay. And so that should reset it, as it says. All right, and so I will be keeping a journal of the day, because this doesn't tell me how many days and etc. So I'll keep a journal on this one. So I did do that and reset it for 5 seconds, so, and then release. Right. All right, so let's get started here. I have me a marker, because you will need that, or a pen to label your pods. And so we're going to start off with lettuce, and I think I want to try something else too as well, but we'll see. Be right back. As you can see, we have everything laid out for me, okay? These are labels that we will need to use when we start planting our seeds, so we can label them, okay? Then you'll also need your baskets, and that's what the labels will go on top of. And these are the sponges that you'll put the seeds in, okay? Then we got a pack of seeds. So we got 6 of each, okay? 6 sponges, 6 baskets, okay? And 12 germination covers. And this is a water bottle, spill proof, that I purchased separately, so that when I'm filling up the base, I'm not spilling water everywhere, okay, y'all? The spout, twist on there, and so it makes easy to pour in the water as it goes, okay? So you'll just in there. So I did buy one of those, which I'm going to sit back down here. Also, this is the liquid plant food that we will be putting in, but I will not add that. I've been watching some videos with some helpful tips, and it says don't add until you see seedlings. So the germination process has begun. Then you'll add in your food, okay? So we're going to start off by adding, I'm hoping for the best. I will be recording the time and everything as I get started. So thank y'all for being here with me. This is my first time. I'm not a gardener. I'm getting into gardening, and so I want to do so indoors. Let's take a look at these seeds. I already opened them. And as you can see, they are very tiny. If y'all can see in the inside, can you see? They're really, really tiny. Some is even sticking on the, let me get a few out. Just to get a few. So we can take a look. See how tiny they are? I know I've been washing my hands, so excuse. They are really, really tiny. Okay, sorry. I went to go get me some little tweezers, okay? Because those seeds are so small. Okay? And it said to plant several, I guess just in case some don't, sprout. So, okay, and so the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and write on our label what this is what I'm actually about to grow. As you can see, we have 6. We have 6 there. I'm going to label because we know that this is black seeded simple. I'm going to say, so we'll know. Should have got a smaller marker, right? I'm just going to put, oops, is that actually writing? Oh, it's writing. It don't look. I should have used a regular pen. Hold on, y'all. I ain't going to be able to see this. Well, let's say we know that we're doing letters first, so. Because I would like to start another one. I'm thinking, well, I do want to get another machine, a larger one to do my tomatoes. But I gotta save, y'all. I gotta save money for that, I don't want to go overboard with, because who knows if this is going to work good for me or not, right? So this is our first one. We're gonna go ahead and put the labels on. It looks like it's just coming right off. I'm like, okay, help a sister out. Okay, we have a label on. Since I'm gonna do 2 because they said it's not good to do too many because then it start overcrowding and stuff. That's why I know I want to get me a second one. All right, we're going to set these labels to the side. But no, I want to get me a second one because I definitely want to grow some more stuff, y'all. Okay? So our label is secure. Right? Now, they said put several seeds, as you see in that hole there. So I'm going to put just about, how about I'll do 2? 1, 2. And then I can pull them out when it becomes too much because I want to make sure that this starts growing. And then you just pack it down in there like that. Like so. And so I am going to go ahead and insert, we'll see. I'm not going to put it all the way down in there just yet. Next one. As I say, don't put too many seeds. So. It's so tiny. That's why I got these tweezers. Put down in there. And then we're going to put it in there. Okay? And then I'm going to put So let's put these seeds back in here. Now, one thing it didn't come with, I'm glad I brought this kit, okay, seed part kit for indoor hydro. I'm gonna open it up because it did not come with the tops to cover them. It didn't come with that, which is surprising. I don't know why, but thank God I got an extra kit, and this is when I start growing more and more things. So, extra pots, and then we have that stuff. You see that? Yeah, I came prepared, so we only need two. I'll take out 3 for right now. All right, so we have that. We're going to push this down to be secure. So we want to make sure this is on tight and the less light to get inside the machine, because we don't want algae, okay, inside the aquarium. I mean the base, okay, and don't want it to get too moldy. All right. Told you, until they start sprouting, I am not going to add, put a top on there. Not going to add any food to these yet until they start sprouting. Then I'll add the liquid food to the water. Oops. And if you see at the beginning, this is at the height. I think this is the lowest. I'm going to check again. Let's see. Nope, that wasn't the lowest. I'm going to bring it down some more. So I took the golden cherry tomato. I'm going to put 2 seeds in here. I know I am going to buy another machine. So I'm going to go ahead and plant this. Okay. And then once I get my second machine, a larger machine, I will transfer it into that. All right, so you see I did go ahead and put those golden cherry tomatoes in there. So we'll see. And then, so day 1, and I will be back so we can see how well these do. I put 2 seeds in each. Wish me luck, y'all, okay? Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, today is September 22nd, okay? 2024. So this is me vlogging my first AeroGarden planting, okay? We're doing some lettuce and tomatoes.